Hello students, welcome at Educare. This is Bihani and in this chemistry session we are going to see about the topic called pH and pOH of solutions. This is very important in the chemistry to know the concept of pH and pOH of solution. This deal with the acidic and basic behavior of the solutions that we consider according to chemistry point of view. Do you know when the solution that called as acidic, for example, lemon juice is acidic, then we have tomato juice acidic, then the acid in the milk that called as lactic acid, for example, there are lot of acids, and in the chemical laboratory or in the industry we are using sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid. On the contrary, some alkaline or basic solution like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, or the alkaline or basic solutions of some salts or even some gas like ammonia is basic in nature. Now, acidity and basicity of solution can be given in terms of H plus and OH minus concentration. According to that concept, for the neutral solution or in the pure water where concentration H plus is equal to taken as concentration OH minus, which is at 25 degrees centigrade, is considered as 10 raised to minus 7 molar. It means at 298 Kelvin of temperature, which is under the standard condition one of that supposed, we have the concentration H plus and OH minus is 10 raised to minus 7. For acidic solution, concentration H plus is greater than 10 raised to minus 7, that is for acidic, and for basic solution, concentration H plus is less than 10 raised to minus 7 molar. However, it is not convenient or not suitable to remember such 10 raised to minus values. And if it is neutral solution, I have just mentioned, for pure water or neutral solution, both H plus and OH minus concentrations are considered as 10 raised to minus 7 mole per liter, means molar. Now we deal with the definition of pH and pOH. Because that inconvenience of the 10 raised to minus molar solution concentration, the concept of pH and pOH was given by the great scientist Sorensen. Sorensen has given the concept of pH. According to that, the definition of pH is minus log to the base 10 of concentration H plus, or it is considered as 1 upon log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration. If you don't want that negative sign, then you can take the reciprocal. Nowadays, instead of H plus, it is also considered as hydronium ion, that is H3O plus ion, and hence this can be the definition according to latest trend in the chemistry, that is negative log of H3O plus concentration. Similarly, pOH is defined as negative logarithm to the base 10 of hydroxide ion, that is OH minus ion concentration. So these are the definitions of pH and pOH. Now we deal with the calculation of pH. How pH is calculated? By this definition or this formula of finding pH. Suppose we have given 10 raised to minus 9 molar concentration for H plus ion, and from this definition it is asked to find pH equal to what? Then we can find pH like this. By definition, pH is minus log to the base 10 of concentration H plus, then we put the value of the 10 raised to minus 9, and that will come minus of minus 9 into log 10 to the base 10 according to law of logarithm. This come minus 9 is plus, and this log 10 to the base 10 is 1, so the pH come like this. It means if 10 raised to minus 9 concentration, pH is 9. If H plus concentration 10 raised to minus 8, then it will be 8, and so on. For any intermediate value also, we can find pH of solution. Similarly, we can find the pOH also of the solution. Now we will take relation between pH and pOH. It has been found that at 298 Kelvin, that is 25 degrees centigrade, we have the ionic product of water, that is H plus into OH minus concentration, their product is 10 raised to minus 14. Then using this concept, it is found that the relation between pH and pOH, one of the very important and famous formula, pH plus pOH always equal to 14. Using this concept, you can find, if given pH, the value of pOH and vice versa. Now there is a scale called pH scale that was also given by the great scientist Sorensen, hence it is called as Sorensen pH scale. According to that pH scale given by Sorensen, we have such like a number line from 0 to 14 and there is a midpoint at 7. If pH lies between 0 to 7, then the solutions are acidic. If pH has value between 7 to 14, then the solution is basic. Here to this 7, it is considered as neutral solution. Now we deal with concentration of 10 raised to minus 7 molar for this, 10 raised to minus 14 molar for this, and 10 raised to 0, which means 1 molar for this H plus ion concentration. It is not to forget, the acidic range come between 0 to 7. If you go left to right, the solution become more and more basic, means less and less acidic. So this is the short information about the pH and pOH solution. If you like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel and press that bell button icon to get the notifications of our incoming videos. Thanks.